Lilepo! Lilepo! Ha! Ha! Morisi! Morisi! Ha! Chisa Osama bin Laden! Kaizer Chiefs versus Kukune starting lineup. So guys, I think the starting lineup simnandi lesi, even though the midfielder bachinche wonke ama-player, but it looks good, especially the front three. I'm happy on the front three. So let's see what will happen, especially kuba khona kwa Da Silva. Yeah, that's a nice starting lineup. Let's see what will happen in the game. So there's no Mdu Shabalala today. Impofana, Amakhosi for life. Ola, Kosi for life, Kosi for life. Serena is in the house. Yeah, I see me. Alright, we are attacking. Ula Modi. Penalty. That's a penalty. Referee. Jane, they go outside. Let's see in slow motion. Let's have a look at that. Mnamkhona ukubona usenzeke phakathi ngaphandle. Let's see. Oh yeah, yenzeke ngaphandle. The contact ibe khona ngaphandle. All right. That's not a penalty, that's a free kick. But who will take the free kick now? Woo! Guys, mina ngasa ngabona Lilepo shaye i-free kick. Waze lapho ama-free kick uLilepo. Lilepo ngoba nikuSerino, Serino is in the house. I didn't expect anything from Lilepo. Right, here's another attack. Oh, nice pass. Modi, yes! Oh, come on. Pule Modi. I'm playing too. Hey, that was a good pass from Lilepo. Look at the heel from Mteto. Yo, that was going to be a beautiful goal. Modi. Come on, guys. I think Modi is cast. Pule Modi. Pule Modi is flat, Mteto. How could you miss this one? Break attack. Break attack. Let's see. Yeah, set. I think our defense was solid. Futek sukuma wena yikho le ndaba yakho le. I think that one was a penalty. Let's see. I don't know, guys. The one Soka zone, but it looks like a penalty. Guys, I think Lilepo is on fire today. Lisetla Lilepo liyashesha, attack ngalo today.
Lilepo bends his run too early.
Here's another counter attack. Sapela. Yo, Sapela. Yo! Wasebenza Msimango. Siyabonga Msimango. Yo!
He's looking across.
Bengisaminyile la.
He can roll the ball across and there's nobody. He's got between two lines where he's just blasted across.
Msimango blocked him. Well done, Msimango. That's what we need from you.
That could be funny.
Uthi zama uthenga urefu uyafly.
No doubt about that.
No, nalinkinga. Peterson. Chesa. Peterson. Angigcwele ngale gonya le guys. I don't wanna lie. Here's another attack. Another attack. Yay!
Next season, you've seen also his
Okay. Rosla.
Next.
Oh my God. Man, Serino. That was supposed to be a goal.
We know his ability. He brings it down beautifully.
Yes. Mara guys. Ulilepo namhla uyashisa man. Esam that back heel from Frosler. Chiefs idlala mnandi today. Today idlala mnandi. Jealous. Right.
That's a great sweep.
Here's another attack.
Out to release Lilepo.
Lilepo.
Goes for
Lilepo. Oh.
gives the photographer something to work with there as he goes.
Ubani lemhlulile uSilva.
And his momentum.
Lilepo namhla mfethu. I think Lilepo they deserve man of the match to this game.
This one,
The guy is on fire. Yes, yes.
position was the big concern. There was no time to sharpen.
Lo akhipha kuyabamba look.
I believe. And he's Lilepo.
Okay, here we go again.
Silva sets up on a run.
Silva! Oh!
Excellent
Oh!
action there from, just,
There was Sebenza, keeper.
I read the danger.
Yes, yes.
Oh, that was to release us. Look at this from Lilepo. And a run.
Yo, that was a one-on-one. Hey!
Guess with a bit of pressure as well.
Yo! Pepper 2. Ngibona uPepper 2. Ngena uPepper 2. Hayi yabona nyalo ziyajika izinto nyalo. Fikile uPepper 2. No Morris, namhla kudlala uMorris. Osama bin Laden. Madoda.
For his first appearance of the season.
Morris. Nje Morris udlalile le season. Asimnikele ichance sibonile. Pepper 2. Pepper 2. Pepper. Oh, hey bamlahla phansi. Le ntwana ngencane le guys. I love this guy.
Would that not be worthy of a yellow?
Pepper 2. Ayi, usebenzile. Abo kwambile lokumfana. This guy inswini.
I think so. I think so.
Kumhlibhile.
It's going to pass clear. See what Chislet can do. Chislet, again. Go. Ripples,
That's not bad. Funa nale yokuqala le chayo Lilepo ngoba inika uChislet umzi. That's
Forward, draw,
ayikho bad.
and lost
Ayikho bad.
taking one.
Lilepo. Ha! Morisi! Ha! Chisa Osama bin Laden. Mfethu. Morris. Yabona nyalo isikhukhula ngesiphinde si-equalize. Kushaya Morris umpethu ngabudala bakhe. Lilepo mfethu. Man. Morris. Ingwenya man. Lilepo Morris le combo baba.
Instinct of the goal project.
Yes.
And his positioning.
Mfethu.
Very tricky here.
Mfethu. That's so beautiful.
Defenders as if
Lihle igoli lika Morris guys. I'm so happy ukuthi Morris final ukorile.
that a dash of speed
Osama bin Laden. Morris.
of the defender.
Chisa mfa.
Not the
Taka mfa.
win of the season.
Pepper 2. Pepper 2. Pepper 2. Pepper 2. That goal. Yes. Penalty then.
On Lilepo.
Guys, come on. Namhla Lilepo unsoyembu mfethu. Lilepo mnandi today mfethu.
Kaizer Chiefs.
Pepper 2. Bosebenzile mfana. That cross was nice. Buka nje le pass.
Times of the game because he's got this up.
That's a penalty. That's a penalty. And bekufuna kube na red card futhi lena because uLepo was going to score here.
To get it past Chilwell.
That's a clear penalty. Shank Pepper 2. Pepper 2. Yes. Pepper 2. Pepper 2. Siwaqedile. Saphela isikhukhune sabantu. Pepper 2. Ngicwele kuPepper 2 mfethu. Ngicwele kuPepper 2. But this one was a clear penalty. This one was a clear penalty. Pepper 2 umnandi guys. Kona bokulibonile wakho likhipha. Le ntwana ngencane le. Le ntwana imnandi lena mfethu. Hate it or like it. Le ntwana imnandi. Obrigado. Guys, I'm so happy with Kaizer Chiefs. I think badlale kamnandi kule game lena mfethu. Kude lesingakusola. I'm so happy for the boys. Amakhosi for life.